Hello learners, in this tutorial I will teach you about AutoCAD dimensioning setups and taking dimension for various shapes. Okay, let's get into AutoCAD. So before setting drawing units, dimensioning units, set your main primary units. Go enter UN, take engineering, take precision up to your desired thing, take here inches. Now OK. After that, enter your page size by clicking Limax. By entering the command Limax, it means limits maximum. So I am taking my units as 100 feet, comma 100 feet. Enter. Okay. Now Z enter, A enter. Okay. See, after that press D and go for modify your primary unit. Change your dimensioning units also, engineering and precision. Okay. Now come to symbols and arrows, your desired one. I want architectural. Now go to text. It is showing text height. I will take like 1 feet. Okay. Now press OK. Set current. Close. See, here are the commands we mostly used for dimensioning. So first one is dim linear. It is nothing but straight lines. Now take a command DLI. It's shortcut. Specify first point and then second point. See, now dim align. Align means inclined lines. Now take DAL. See here, and my dimension is here. See, okay. Now dim radius and dim dia. So enter shortcut DRA and what it's saying, select arc or circle. This is my circle, select this one. See, the radius is 4 feet 2 inch. Now dim dia, DDI, select this one. Okay, and after that I have here arc. Enter DAR. Simply select your arc and take like this. Okay. After that, I want an angle of this one. See, enter DAN. It is nothing but dim angular. What it is saying? Select arc circular line. Enter L. Specify vertex and second one. See here. Okay. After that, I have dim continue. While we are working for a plan, sometimes we use dim linear many times for the same direction measurements. So in that case, you can go for dim continue. But before using dim continue, keep in mind you have to use dim linear once. That means for the first time. Now take the dim linear. Okay. Specify your line. Okay. And second one. It is 4 feet 2 inch. Okay. Now take dim continue. Enter and see here. See 5 feet 10 inch, 6 feet 8 inch. Press escape. So like this dim continue will work, but keep in mind before using dim continuous, for the first measurement you have to take dim linear. So guys, this is about taking dimensions. So if you forget to set these dimensions, D enter dim style. If you forget to set your dimension units, you will not get result in inches and feet. For example, see here, I am making it default. Okay, press OK. Set current, press OK. Now again, I am taking my dim linear. See, specify point. See, before it is in feet and inches. Now see, it went to decimal. Now again go for D, modify, primary units, engineering, okay, set current, close. See, now it's again changed 4 feet 2 inch. So guys, this is about the dimensioning. If you like the video, do subscribe only if my videos worth your time. This is Akbar signing off. Bye bye.